Good morning, my fellow pressure washing contractors. So this is gonna be my first attempt at a pressure washing vlog, and I figured what better place to start out with a vlog at this very nice house. At this job right here, I'll be taking care of the entire house, the entire driveway, good size right here, clean street curbs, and also cleaning all his gutters. So I'll be checking in with you guys throughout the job. So here I'm at the back of my client's house, and usually what I like to do is every time I do a job, I like to do a little something extra. Well, on this job right here, I came across a ugly stone concrete table. So as you can see right here, that concrete table is absolutely filthy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this table all cleaned up and toss it in, no charge. Going above and beyond for your customers. That's the way to do it. Alright, so I just finished up this house. It is 4:30. I started here at 7:30. So it's taken me 7 hours to get this house and entire driveway clean. Let's go to the back. Here we are at the back of the house. As you can see, this thing's got one heck of a screened in porch. Now, just want to show you the table when I was telling you about the Southeast Extra. Here it is. Here is the table. I got the table and all the benches cleaned up. No charge. Took probably 15 minutes to get clean. So, customer will be very happy for that. So again, this is the house. I was getting clean. Took me 7 hours. We are packing up right now to get ready to head to the house or head back to the office, the shop. God, this house is gorgeous. So, this house right here has an approximate value of $750,000. Look at that house. A thing of beauty. I got it done.